Okay, this video is designed to quickly show you how to change sizes. I'm just going to change my view to just 3D for right now. And let's see here. So you go up here to Avatar, and then we have Avatar Editor to really fine-tune specific measurements. If you have specific measurements, you can actually type in exactly what you need. If you don't really know what you need and you want to stay a little bit more standard, you can get out of the Avatar Editor and open up your library, and then go ahead under Avatar. There you go, click Avatar. And then right now I'm in female, so I'm double click female, and there's a folder for size. I'm gonna double click it. And Chloe actually has access to the US ASTM standardization library. So this is great to have this if you are looking for standard measurements. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Missy Curvy, double click it, and we have from size 2 to 20. Let's just do 18 today. So all I did was give it a double click. You can't really see, but right behind it, she did change. And if I'm happy, I can say X. Now, even from here, if you're like, well, my customer is very close to size 18, but you know, nothing ever fits her waist because her waist is smaller, you can go up to Avatar Editor, and it has now the ASTM measurements in here, and we go into waist. Let's say your customer's waist is 35 inches. So again, they're just saying like, hey, if you change this, it's not officially, obviously the ASTM anymore, but you can do that, and then should just be able to X out of it. And there you go. So if you want to save your custom size, you can go to Avatar Editor again, and there is a save button here. So you can click save. And then this is like a file if you want to open something that you've saved previously as well. So that's the quick way, but I definitely recommend you guys watch the more in detail videos also posted.